If you've got a large video file and you want to make it smaller without ruining the quality, HandBrake is one of the best free tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reduce video file size with HandBrake step by step, so you can shrink your files for easier uploading, faster sharing, and less storage use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Once it's running, the very first thing you need to do is import your video. You can simply drag your video file directly into the HandBrake window. HandBrake will load the file and begin analyzing it. And behind the scenes, FFmpeg is decoding the source so the software can process it properly. This is the starting point for compressing your video. After your video is loaded, the next step is to go to the dimensions section. Here, you want to set cropping to automatic. This is a simple but powerful setting because it removes black bars from your video if they are present. Those black bars don't add anything useful to the video, so removing them helps save data and can reduce the overall file size. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a real difference, especially if your video has letterboxing or extra empty space around the image. Now move over to the video tab because this is where most of the compression happens. For the codec, set it to H.264. This is a very widely supported format and a great choice if you want a smaller file that still plays smoothly on most devices and platforms. Next, look for the RF setting and set it to 22. RF controls the quality and compression balance, and 22 is a solid value for reducing file size while keeping the video looking good for most everyday use cases. Then set the preset to slow. This might take a little longer to encode, but it helps HandBrake compress the video more efficiently. In simple terms, X264 is recycling pixels more effectively, and the slow preset gives it more time to do that, which usually results in a smaller output file. Once that's done, go to the Audio tab. Audio can take up more space than you think, especially if your original file has high bitrate sound. To reduce that, set the audio bitrate to 128. This is a common bitrate that keeps the audio clear while shrinking the audio stream size. If your video doesn't need extremely high fidelity sound, this is usually a very good balance between quality and file size. At this point, you've handled the main compression settings, so now it's time to export. Click Browse to choose where you want the finished file saved and give it a name so you can easily find it later. Once everything looks correct, click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin processing the video and muxing the streams into a final MP4 file. Depending on the size of your video and the speed of your computer, this may take a few minutes, so just let it run until it finishes. When the encode is complete, check your output file and compare the size to the original. In most cases, you should see a noticeable reduction in file size, and because you use the right balance of cropping, codec, RF, preset, and audio bitrate, the quality should still look strong. That's the full process for reducing video file size with HandBrake. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.